Hi everyone, my name is Ethel Webb. I am from Los Angeles, California. I was actually born in San Jose, but I was raised in Los Angeles. I did grow up going to school in Culver City. When I was about 10 or 11, we moved to South Los Angeles, but I continued going to school in Culver City. So it's a pretty cute little town, and there's lots to, I would say there's lots to do. This is my husband and I. We have been married for 2 years and 4 months now. We still don't have any children, but we are excited to get done with school and possibly plan for a family pretty soon. This is my second to last semester in school, and then I'll be graduating in July. Next semester I just have to take about one more class and my internship, and then I will be done. That's picture of me and my husband when we got married at the Los Angeles Temple in 2015. And we recently bought a home in August, and we were really excited about that. We've been here for about 5 months now, and it's been really, really fun. Something that I would like to apply from this course or from this class is how to be able to understand people who have gone through different trials and different stages in their lives, and how it's so important to their development and how it can shape the person that they are, if that makes any sense. I think that our development throughout our entire lives really shapes the adults that we become. So I'm interested to see how I can learn about it and then kind of spot it out in real life so I can kind of put it a little bit more to action. So that's something that I'm pretty excited about in this class. Something else that's interesting about me and my husband, or at least me, is I recently started snowboarding. We've been snowboarding for about I've been snowboarding for about 3 years now, and it's been really fun. I also enjoy playing volleyball and soccer. I'm currently working at a mental health office. I don't know if you guys know, here in Utah, it's called Wasatch Mental Health. I absolutely love working for them. They do a lot for people with mental illnesses in our community, and I've been working there for almost 6 months. Previously to that, I was working at another counseling office where we did a lot of a different variety of therapy, and I was able to help clients schedule appointments for treatment, and I did a lot of the billing work. So it's been really fun to be around the field that I'm hoping to be in. So I'm getting my undergrad in marriage and family, and I'd like to pursue a master's degree in social work and then become a licensed clinical social worker. Well, that's a little bit about me. I hope that you were able to at least learn a little bit about me, and hope to meet you all pretty soon.